We are going to discuss another question which was in final paper. Same criteria here. Which of the following statement is false concerning epidermis? Two keyword. Examiner is looking for. He is given 4 statement related to epidermis. But target we are looking for false statement. We are looking for false statement. So here you need to understand one thing. What is epidermis first? Very simple. Epidermis is the epithelial layer of skin. Epithelial layer of skin. And another important thing is that this layer of skin have 5 layers. This skin layer, epidermis, have 5 layers. Start from bottom to top. Stratum, basilae, spinosum, stratum, granulosum, stratum lucidum, stratum corneum. You know what? These 5 layers have different characteristics. These 5 layers togetherly makes epithelium of skin, which we called as epidermis. So these 5 layers have different characteristics. Look here, what he want to know that. Number 1 statement that a complete cycle from fresh keratinocytes to death keratinocytes usually take 20 to 30 days. Point number 1. Keratinocytes are cells which are located in these layers. Which are cells which are located in the main cell of epidermis is keratinocyte. What really happen in epithelium? There is a cycle. There is cycle of regeneration in which from layer stratum basilae to the corneum, cells on that state cell divides via mitosis and go upward, convert into spinosum, then granulosum, then lucidum, and finally corneum. This last layer, lucidum and corneum, they are dead and dry cells. They are dead and dry cells. So this is a cycle, a continuous cycle. Your cell of skin is replacing. The epithelial cells are, new cells are being produced, then cell is converted into the dead cell, and finally they are replacing from the skin. So this cycle actually in humans especially take 20 to 30 days. That statement is true. The number 2, cell of stratum spinosum produce. This statement is false. We will look this later on. First look on these 2. Stratum lucidum lies superficially to the stratum granulosum. That's also true statement, because if you go from down to up, this the stratum lucidum is the superficial to the stratum granulosum. Next one, cell of stratum basilae undergo mitosis. That's also true. The cell on basal layer, they do mitosis, and converted into other type of cells, but the rest of other layers do not do mitosis. There is a change in morphology. Cell change their morphology and convert into dead cell. And filled with keratin. But only in basal layer we have mitosis. So this statement is also true. This one is also true. Why this statement is false? Cell of stratum spinosum produce laminar bodies. Laminar bodies have another name, you know. Auckland bodies. Actually, this laminar body or Auckland body are produced by which layer? Granulosum. Produced by stratum? Not produced by stratum. So for this question, the right answer was B. Cell of stratum spinosum produce laminar body. This statement is false. This statement is, and your examiner also looking for false statement. Okay? Thank you.